When setting up your AERO lightweight extension ladder either on poles or strands, you will often find uneven ground. AERO lightweight extension ladders can now be equipped with PK70 lightweight levelers for 8 inches of leveling action. When you determine your ladder needs to be leveled, first decide which side of the ladder is low. This is where you will want to install the PK70 leveler. Remove the safety pin from the bracket, then locate the lugs on the back side of the leveler and the keyholes on the bracket. Insert the lugs and slide the leveler up until you hear the lock engage. Make sure that you install the safety pin. Set up the ladder where you need to climb, and use the foot peg to extend the leveler until you contact the ground. Set up your ladder following the labels on the ladder and using your company's specific safety practices. Check the bubble level on the 7th rung and ensure that your ladder is level. If not, reset the ladder until you are properly level and secure. When you are done working on your ladder, press down on the release on the top of the leveler and retract the leveler. This makes the ladder safe to put back on more level ground. You can remove the leveler by removing the safety pin and releasing the black lever on the bracket. Reinsert the safety pin. It is best to do this before transportation. With the leveler removed, your AERO ladder is still lightweight and easy to carry.